Hello everyone, this is Natasha this side. Lot of students are confused how to write the formal letter. Let's see the format then. In formal letters, we will start with the sender address. Write sender's address, whom is writing a letter, then leave one line. Then write the date, never fail to write the date, always write the date. Then leave one line, receiver designation and address. If you are writing a letter to the editor, mention to the editor and whatever the newspaper name is, like India Today, Hindustan Times or Times of India, whatever the address is. Then subject, leave one line, salutation, dear ma'am. Then how to start the letter? You can start with the lines through the column of your reputed newspaper or through the column of your esteemed newspaper. I wish to make the people aware of the whatever the topic is. Like the topic is ban polybags, you have to mention here also the topic, and you have to be brief in subject. Don't write long subjects. Now with the para 1, write body of the letter, give details, share your problems, what you are facing. In para 2, changing the para with the change of the points. You can give solution also. Now end the letter, no line spacing, thank you, yours sincerely, and give full name if it's mentioned. Never put apostrophe in yours. Alright. In private letter, use conversational style. Talk more. Hi, hello, how are you? Start with the letter. Business letter, be short, concise, and to the point. And in official letter, you need to be formal and dignified. Let's talk about the complaint letter. Now here's the complaint letter. This is the format you will follow. You will write your address and all. Then in para 1, whatever you have purchased, the item you have purchased, you have mentioned. You should mention when it is purchased, from where you have purchased that item, and what, like your, if it's having a model number or brand name, or if you are having bill name, bill number, just mention all the things. In next para 2, write the technical problems. Write in 3 points. Whatever the problem you are facing, like you have purchased washing machine or dishwasher or any other appliance, just mention it, the on and switch is not working properly, whatever the problem you are facing. Then in para 3, since the dash item, whatever the item is under warranty, so kindly replace it within a week, or you mention the days, failing which we will be forced to move to the consumer court. Then end the letter, yours faithfully, and give your name. In order letter, we will mention all these points, like this is a format. You will write the address, the date or reference number. If you are ordering something, they have been mentioned the reference number. So write here the reference number, the address, manager name of the company and address of the company. Then write, start with the dear sir and ma'am, subject to be in short, whatever you want to order, just mention here. Body of the letter, just mention this type of lines, like reference number. जब भी आप कुछ खरीदते हैं, whatever you want to order, you need to mention your reference number and with the date. List of the requirement and items to be ordered. Whatever you want to order, like if you want to order some books, you have to write all the books name and all, कितनी item चाहिए, कौन सी book चाहिए, and who's the writer is. अगर आप electronics order करते हैं, here I have given the example also. Like if you want to order fans, microwaves, oven, geyser, you have to mention the number of item, like you want fans 15 number, microwaves 25 in number, oven 13 number, geyser 25 in number, and you have to write the brand also. Fan should be of Bajaj, microwaves you want LG, ovens you want Philips, geyser you want Nova. This is a small example I have given to explain the order letter. The next is date on which delivery is required. You have to mention the date, like you want your delivery in 15 days, just mention it within a week, whatever it is. Mode of the payment is cash on delivery or payment by the check. Items to be in good condition. You have to Okay, whatever here is, you have to mention any damage during transportation would be your responsibility. If there is any discount, you can ask for an offer also. Now end the letter, yours faithfully, name and designation. This is our inquiry letter format. Let's see. You have to write the address, your mobile number. You have to mention your mobile number in case they want to contact us. We need to mention our mobile number. Now then write the date, address. This is an inquiry letter about the laptops. So you are writing a letter to wholesale laptop seller, right? Subject should be in brief, inquiry about the laptops. That's it. Dear sir, madam, I am, mention your name, writing a letter to you to inquire about the Dell laptops. आप इंक्वायरी कर रहे हो डेल लैपटॉप्स के लिए. आई एम प्लानिंग टू परचेज 20 डेल लैपटॉप्स फॉर बिजनेस पर्पस. आप बिजनेस चला रहे हो, आपको 20 लैपटॉप्स चाहिए और आपको डेल कंपनी, डेल ब्रांड पसंद है, तो आप उसकी इंक्वायरी कर रहे हैं. आई एम रनिंग अ मीडिया एंड एडवर्टाइजिंग फर्म. आपका जो बिजनेस है डेट यू हैव मैंशन. I require good laptops with good features and my budget for 20 laptop is 6 lakhs. यहाँ आपने लैपटॉप्स के फीचर्स बोले हैं कि अच्छे होने चाहिए, बजट में होना चाहिए. 20 लैपटॉप्स चाहिए आपको, 6 lakhs आपका बजट है. You have mentioned that also. We would like to buy laptops with a portable, lightweight, say 8 GB RAM and that suits our budget. तो ये मेन चीज़ है आपको चाहिए. आपके लैपटॉप्स पोर्टेबल होने चाहिए, लाइट वेट होने चाहिए और उसमें 8 GB रैम होनी चाहिए और आपके बजट के अंदर भी होने चाहिए. देन आई वुड लाइक टू नो द डिटेल्स ऑफ द अवेलेबल लैपटॉप्स अबव मेंशन. आपके पास जितने भी लैपटॉप्स हैं किसी भी ब्रांड के, उसके फीचर्स मुझे आप बताइए जो इससे मैच करते हो. इफ डेल लैपटॉप्स आर नॉट अवेलेबल विद द अबव, अगर आपके पास डेल लैपटॉप अवेलेबल नहीं है, देन आई वुड लाइक टू बाय एनी अदर ब्रांड लैपटॉप एज वेल. तो मैं इन्हीं फीचर्स जो मैंने मेंशन करे, अगर उसके अकॉर्डिंगली कोई और ब्रांड का लैपटॉप आप सजेस्ट करते हो तो मैं उसे भी खरीद सकते हैं. सो प्लीज एक्सप्लेन टू मी मोर अबाउट द अवेलेबल लैपटॉप्स. जो आपके पास लैपटॉप हैं उनके बारे में आप मुझे बताएं एंड इट्स फीचर्स, उसके फीचर्स जो थोड़े बहुत मैच करते हो मेरी रिक्वायरमेंट से. प्लीज़ कॉन्टैक्ट मी टू द अबव मेंशन मोबाइल नंबर जो आपने ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है. और इन केस यू डोंट वांट टू गिव योर मोबाइल नंबर, देन मेंशन योर ईमेल एड्रेस एट द एंड. थैंकिंग यू सिंसियरली, योर नेम and the designation of the company, like if you are director, mention that also. So this is our inquiry letter. Last but not the least, let's see the informal letter also. Here I have given a small example for invitation letter. This is the birthday party invitation. कोई भी occasion हो, annual function हो, birthdays हो, आप कैसे invite करते हैं, how you write a letter. Here you have mentioned address, date, dear such and such, जो भी नाम है आपके फ्रेंड का. How are you, greetings, you are giving greetings. How are you, how are your family members, और अपने बारे में भी कुछ बता दिया. I am fine here too. Then how to start the letter. I am writing this letter to invite you for my birthday party which is celebrated on. You have to mention the date also. The party will be conducted on my farm, और जो भी venue है you have to mention here. If you have any confusion, please contact me on my phone. Then next paragraph. It's been a long time since we have met. Yeah, since we have seen each other, and I will be really happy if you could attend my birthday party. मैं बहुत हैप्पी हूँगा, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा मुझे अगर आप मेरे बर्थडे पार्टी में आएंगे और कोई भी ओकेजन जो आपने मेंशन किया है. Waiting to meet you soon. Take care, with care and write your name. तो बहुत सिंपल सा लेटर है. इफ़ यू वांट टू इनवाइट एनीवन, योर फ्रेंड और एनी अदर ओकेजन, बर्थडे पार्टी नहीं तो कोई एनुअल फंक्शन है, तो दीज आर द बेसिक थिंग्स यू हैव टू रिमेंबर इन योर माइंड. जस्ट मेंशन द डेट, कब है वो फंक्शन एंड उसका वेन्यू. थैंक यू, होप यू लाइक माई वीडियो.